Greetings! Today we're going to talk about setting up breakout rooms in Google Meet. The first thing you need to do is make sure your browser's logged into the school account. As you can see here, I am logged into the Hartford Schools account. If you don't, it's not going to work for your students. Second, I'm going to go to the Chrome store and I'm going to type in Google Meet breakout rooms. Google Meet, oops. Hate when that happens. I just type it. I got stuff there. Google. Ah, gotta close that. Google Meet Breakout Rooms. It comes up with the extension here. I'm going to add it. Woohoo! Add the extension. And I have it here. So now I'm going to open it up and just keep it open. Okay, and then make sure it's on my account. Now you have to. Okay, have your main room open here. All right. So I went here into, first thing I did was go to my calendar and say I have a class 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. First I made my main room. Okay. And I set up for 1 to 1:15 every day so I can give my instruction and then I can go into their groups. Made it reoccurring Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can do that by just editing it here and going to custom and picking the days you want. All right, and then I added here, you got to click here to get the Google Meet. And then this is my whole class, so I didn't add anything and I just hit save. For my groups, I edited, and you can edit, I named it, and then I made sure you got to click here to add the Google Meet, but then I put the group names for that particular day so I can keep track. And hit save. So now, okay, for this app though, you got to open up. All right, so what I did is I created an assignment right here. All right, this is the main room that we meet at 1 o'clock, and then these are the groups after with their names above it. All right. So first you got to open up your room first, the main room first, because you got to sync everything. So you're going to join. All right, mine's already kind of synced, so I'm not going to, but you have to make sure, okay, that things are synced. Right, there should be a little button here. All right, blah, 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 blank, blank, blank. Oh, no, that's not it. All right, so you start your class in Google Classroom, and then you just gotta, click here to make sure you are synced, okay, and it'll tell you success. Okay, so under start class with Google Classrooms, that's what you have to do. So now I have my main one open, okay, and you can see I can keep that one open, but kids are going to have to log off after and just have them close out. You can kick them all out. You know, you guys should know if they're all here here, you can kick them all out here if they're in here. So now, the kids are opening up their rooms. Woohoo! We got one room only. I'll go click on all the links. So they're in here. This is what you're going to do. So you open up all the links. They're going to go to their particular classroom. All right, group 4 and group 5. I have one of them open. We'll see which one it is. All right, so then you got to go in each one. Woohoo! All right. Ooh, that's the one with right here. So this is key right here. So now you have all your rooms open and you can jump back and forth between them. But right here allows you, this is going to be key, because if you left every single room open right now, you would hear lots and lots of talking. So this allows you to mute the room that you're in, and then just keep talking the room that you need to talk. So basically, that's how you would use this extension to have breakout rooms in Google Meet. I hope this helps, and feel free to email me if you have any questions.